How to fix action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. The first method is stop background processes with Task Manager. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, then select the processes and select End Processes. Once the process has been stopped, you should be able to access the file without any problems. If this does not work, try restarting your computer and then try again. Now the other method is delete temporary files to fix the file in use error. Press Windows plus R to open the run dialog, then type %temp and hit enter. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files and press Shift plus Delete to delete these files permanently. When the task completes, check if you have resolved. The action can't be completed because the file is open. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.